Welcome to a daily dose of self-love, a time to connect within and nurture the most important relationship of our whole lives, the relationship with our own inner self. Together, we will tune out the external world and tune inward to develop self-awareness, peace, joy, and love, and move in the direction of our greatest, most best self. You give so much to others all day. This is your time to give to you. In today's video, you are guided to focus on self-love, releasing anything in the way of embodying love energy. We are creating this space of allowance where everything we wish and desire can flow our way with ease, and we can manifest and create a life that we love. And I hope you enjoy today's meditation. Let's drop into our meditation. Play your favorite relaxing music or light a candle. Close your eyes and turn your outer gaze inward. Take a deep breath and notice your breath as it moves through you. Continue to breathe deeply as we consider our intention of diving into deeper self-love, deeper self-awareness, greater clarity, abundance, openness. We set the intention of allowing ourselves to receive healing energy. We open ourselves to our own wisdom. We set the intention of feeling at peace with ourselves in this moment. We take a deep breath into peace within ourselves. And as we inhale, we breathe peace in. And as we exhale, we relax, sinking more deeply into the chair beneath us. We inhale peace, and we exhale relaxation. We allow any places of tension, tenderness, worry, or concern moving away from us as we exhale. We feel ourselves grounded with the earth. We breathe with the earth, giving and receiving peace, relaxation. We know that when we choose to sink into the earth, into nature, we relax. We harmonize with the earth. We synchronize with the earth. We can release and let go of anything in our own way of being at peace with ourselves. We breathe with the earth. We breathe with spirit. We imagine this beautiful, bright, golden sun energy of the Great Spirit flowing toward us, through us, in us, surrounding us. We breathe with this golden light. We connect to our intuition, to wisdom, to knowing. We open ourselves to becoming one with source energy. We bring our awareness into our heart, this place where earth and sky connect, this place of connection, this place of love, harmony, peace, joy, abundance, connection with others. We breathe with our heart, perhaps bringing a hand to our heart center, taking several deep breaths into our heart space. We know, we acknowledge that our heart can hold so much. Our heart can hold so much in this life for ourselves, for our families, for our friends, for our human family, our earth family. We know that our heart can hold our ancestors, the past, what has come and gone, our heart can hold. Our heart can hold hope for the future, hope for what is to come, what will be. We acknowledge this beautiful heart space that holds everything. We acknowledge this beautiful heart for continuing to beat, to provide nourishment to our whole bodies, to provide love into the space beyond our bodies, into the space of connection with others. It is through our heart that we allow spirit, source, love energy to flow through us onto earth. Let's fill our hearts so big with this love energy that it expands beyond our physical body into the space around us, creating a love bubble. Let's take a deep breath, several deep breaths at your own pace, visualizing this love energy from source flowing through us into the space around us, creating a love bubble. And as we continue to breathe, we allow this love energy to push out anything that we no longer need to hold within our own hearts. Any heaviness, worry, concern, uncertainty. Anything we might be holding in our hearts for someone else, we can release into this love bubble. We can allow this love energy to move, whatever it needs to move, out of us to create space for something new. And in your mind's eye, you can visualize this pain or tension, worry, concern, uncertainty, just evaporating out into the ethers. Our guides and angels grab all this for us and transform it. We don't need to hold it. It's not ours to hold in this moment. We are choosing healing in this moment, We are choosing love in this moment. We are choosing to allow our God energy that lives within us to shine even brighter. Visualize this God energy inside of you, growing brighter with each deep breath. We're strengthening this love bubble surrounding us. And this love bubble attracts more love, more joy, more goodness, more connection. We can visualize all the good things we wish to manifest in our lives, floating our way with ease and grace. What is it you wish for in this moment? Visualize everything you wish for floating your way with ease. And we practice cleansing our inner world each day. Every day we practice cleansing of our inner world. We connect and sync up with earth and sky in order to be open and receptive and allowing all of our wishes, dreams, and desires moving toward us with ease. And it's when we get stuck in this tension, worry, uncertainty, that we create a barrier, a boundary, where we cannot allow ourselves to receive. We feel tension, restriction. And so each day we drop in, consciously release, receive and release, receive this love energy, release whatever's in the way. We visualize all the good things coming our way. We see ourselves as whole, holy, healed, healing. We know that everyone we meet is teaching us something. Everyone we meet is showing us something. We see the divinity in every human being. In our days ahead, we remember this love flowing through us, this bubble that we have created. We say thank you to earth and sky, to our own hearts, for the opportunity, the space, the desire to be here now, the willingness, the openness that you possess that allows you to be here now. When we come back to our hearts, to our bodies, to our bubble, we come back to our vision, our knowing, our own beauty. We take a deep breath as we open our eyes and move our way toward our journal. Set your timer for at least 8 minutes to free write, stream of consciousness writing to allow your words and thoughts and feelings and ideas to just flow through you, to solidify your knowing, to continue releasing. And thank you so much for liking, subscribing, leaving a comment, and sharing this video. Namaste.